Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. For week 4, we're going to be focusing on adding sounds and our last finishing touches that we need in order to complete our game and be ready for our playtest. So, to begin, we're going to be starting off with focusing on our sounds, and we have 3 major sounds that we want to add. It's going to be 2 small sound effects that's going to be for our present sprite and for our Cole sprite, and then we're going to be adding sound to the overall game as a background sound. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and code our present sprite. So we're going to go ahead and click on our present sprite. Once we're here, we're just going to pick a random empty spot. Anywhere is fine. And we're going to start off this code by clicking on the yellow events tab and adding when I receive play, since this is where we want it to start. After that, we're going to go into control and add a forever if then. So it's going to forever check after we're able to play the game. And what are we checking? Well, we're going to check to see when our present is being touched by our reindeer, since that's where we're going to get our point. So I'm going to go ahead and go into sensing, add a touching mouse pointer, and change this to my player, which is named reindeer. Okay. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is, well, we want to go ahead and add our sound now. So we're going to click on our sound tab. We're going to start sound. Then you can go ahead and click on the sound tab at the very top. Click on choose a sound. Go inside of effects. And then we can go ahead and pick the best sound that we want to do after clicking on the present. So you can always hover over the purple play button to kind of get a little bit of a sneak peek of what that sound is. And then once you find your favorite one, you can go ahead and just click on it. Once you clicked on the new sound, you can always update the sound by doing different things to it, either making the sound slower or faster, adding a fade in and out, reversing the sound to make it sound a little bit different. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. So an example of this is, that's the original sound. If I try reversing, okay, so you can play around with this and do a bunch of other things. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and go back into the code tab. You want to click on the old sound and click on your new sound. Now, the problem with this code is after it touches the present, technically the present doesn't disappear for a couple seconds after being touched by the reindeer. So because of that, this sound is going to continue playing a lot. So we need a way for it to be stopped after it only touches it once before doing it again later on. And to do this, all we need to do is go inside of control, click on the wait 1 second, and put it right underneath this start sound. Once you're done, you can go ahead and test out your game, make sure that the sound works, and make sure that it's exactly working the way that it's intended to. So it should only play the sound once when you touch it and not over and over and over. And I can quickly just show you that. So without this wait 1 second, this is how it kind of sounds like. Okay, this is with the wait 1 second. Okay, and that's the way we want it to work. So once you're done, we're going to go ahead and move on to the second sound that we're going to go ahead and add.